Well, happy Earth Day, everybody.
There's a new agreement with the Ohio EPA, the Metro Parks, and the City of Columbus. It promises not to sue over the cleanup of the formerly contaminated site.
Which is their way of indicating that we in fact cleaned up to meet satisfactory standards.
The Ohio EPA and the Department of Development paid for the cleanup of the old Lazarus warehouse site. This once contaminated 18 acres of land will eventually be part of a 100-acre park.
Old warehouses, old derelict buildings. It just looked like an abandoned property that had been left derelict for many years. And now it's going to be productive. People are going to be able to bring their families and their kids here.
You know, anytime the safety is improved for children is a wonderful thing.
Patty Wells' father worked at the former A&P warehouse on the Whittier Peninsula, and growing up, she watched 4th of July fireworks here.
Now it's open. It's you can watch for birds. It's attracting nature back into the city, and the city isn't all about blacktop and concrete
and commerce.
Right, it's got to be about people, and
it gives it personality.
But is the cleanup worth the cost?
It's clear. A ton of money has been sunk in here, but I'm thinking that it adds to the health of Columbus. I mean, what was here before did not add to the health of Columbus.
And it's quickly becoming a destination spot for people and nature. In Columbus, Rick Reitzel, NBC4.